What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The latest news is about the Galaxy Note 8 and the Android Pie update. We had a story yesterday saying it was going to come out fairly soon. Well, it looks like we almost have an exact date at this point. Now, this message comes from a Samsung moderator in the members forum in South Korea. And in the comment, they go on to say that the Note 8 is likely to start next week, as soon as next week S8 goes on beta later. It's broken down because it's a translation, but basically what it's talking about is that the Android Pie update, also known as Samsung One UI, the beta version of it, should be coming out next week for the Galaxy Note 8. Now, like I said yesterday, I will definitely let you guys know when I hear exact information. Obviously, this is coming from a moderator, and they probably do know, and I wouldn't be surprised coming out next week for the beta version, but when and if it really does, I will definitely let you guys know. Speaking of Android Pie and the Samsung One UI beta, it looks like a user in Germany has the official build, meaning the official version, has been pushed out to him on his Galaxy S9 phone. And the update was fairly small at only 95 megs because he was on the Pi 9 stable over the air that showed up for him previously. So he was pretty stable, and they just pushed out something to confirm its non-beta use. So he's lucky. I don't know if other users in Germany have this, but if you do, please let us know in the comments. Next up, the latest information on the Galaxy S10 Lite. Battery size is pretty disappointing. It's rumored, at least based off of supply chains, is that it's only going to have a battery size of 3100 milliamps, which is pretty small at that point. You're looking at something like a Galaxy Note 9 has a 4000 milliamps. There's other Galaxy phones that are budget phones that are coming out this year that have 5000 milliamp battery. So for an S line series of phone, an S10, even if it's the Lite version, to have only a 3100 milliamp battery, again, is pretty bad. Having a smaller display and maybe some lesser specs will make it even out a little bit in the battery compartment versus some other phones that they're putting out under that same line. But regardless, it's still not a very good thing. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, if you have the Note 8 or S8 or even one of the S9 or phones that are out right now, or Note 9 phones, and you don't have the beta, are you going to download the beta if you get the opportunity? If not, why won't you? And if it's available to you, will you get it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you tomorrow and down the road. Peace!